The interaction between Sigma empaths and narcissists is a complex and often treacherous dance within human relationships. It revolves around the clash of their distinct characteristics. While narcissists typically mask their true intentions behind charm and superficial kindness, Sigma empaths excel at detecting insincerity and emotional manipulation. Sigma empaths are deeply attuned to authenticity and emotional resonance in relationships. They prioritize genuine connections based on mutual understanding and empathy, values that are fundamentally at odds with the self-centered nature of narcissists. Narcissists, driven by a need for admiration and control, often employ manipulative tactics to achieve their goals, which Sigma empaths are quick to recognize and resist. One of the key reasons Sigma empaths are unlikely to fall for narcissists is their finely tuned intuition. They can discern subtle cues, energy shifts, and inconsistencies in behavior that reveal a lack of authenticity. This keen discernment enables Sigma empaths to see through the charming facade that narcissists initially present, prompting them to probe deeper into the narcissist's true motives. Moreover, Sigma empaths prioritize emotional well-being and personal growth. They are adept at setting boundaries to protect themselves from emotional manipulation and coercion, traits that narcissists often exploit. Their commitment to maintaining personal integrity and authenticity acts as a robust defense against falling for the superficial charm and false promises of narcissists. Intellectual stimulation and meaningful conversations are also crucial for Sigma empaths in relationships. They seek partners who can engage them deeply on an intellectual and emotional level, qualities that narcissists typically lack. The superficiality and self-centeredness of narcissistic behavior further deters Sigma empaths from forming meaningful connections with them. Additionally, Sigma empaths draw strength from within themselves. They prioritize self-discovery and cultivate a strong sense of self-worth, which prevents them from seeking validation from external sources, a vulnerability that narcissists often exploit. This inner strength enables Sigma empaths to assert themselves and maintain boundaries against narcissistic attempts at control or manipulation. The journey of self-exploration and emotional resilience that Sigma empaths embark upon further enhances their ability to differentiate between healthy and toxic relationships. They continuously refine their understanding of emotional dynamics, making it increasingly difficult for narcissists to manipulate or deceive them. Overall, the inherent characteristics of Sigma empaths, such as their intuition, commitment to authenticity, emotional resilience, and self-awareness, form a formidable barrier against falling for narcissists. Their deep understanding of narcissistic behavior and their prioritization of genuine emotional connections ensure that they remain safe from the illusions and manipulations of narcissistic individuals and relationships.